All right, guys. So I'm excited to show you 4 moves. I used to do dance fitness, teach, and I still take. I love it. The music is infectious, and it's just fun while you're burning calories and toning muscles. 2 goals today. We're going to go through 4 basic moves. Goal number 1, we want to look good, right? We get dressed up, we go to the gym, we take a class, we want to look good. So I'm going to show you how to look good. Number 2, we want to tone our muscles, okay? So today, the goal will be to tone the muscles. Of course, while you're doing that, you're burning calories too. Okay, so the first move, merengue. Let's march in place. We're assume everyone is starting as a beginner, okay? This is really for the beginners. We're gonna march in place, let your arms swing. We're not gonna focus so much on the arms today, okay? Just let them swing right now. The feet march. Now, oftentimes the music is Latin, it has character to it. So this doesn't have much character, it's very pedestrian. So I'm gonna have you press like this and switch, switch. Now, while I'm marching, 1 foot is straight and 1 is bent. 1 foot is straight, 1 is bent. 1 foot is straight, this one, and this is bent. And we alternate. So that's gonna give it a little more character. As you're marching, you're gonna press into the floor, press into the floor, press into the floor. And go ahead and lean forward. Don't be afraid to like pitch forward a little bit here, okay? So now we've got a little more character, right? It looks better than just this. And you can do that during your warm-up, but now if the music is, if you got some Latin music, you want to just press into that floor. And as a bonus, you can do this with the arms, like chops, alternating chops, okay? You can go up, all right? And this can go in a circle. So, focus on pressing into the ground where one leg, one knee is straight and the other is bent, alternating. That's going to give you a much better look and add some arms and finish it off with a great big smile. Number 2, salsa. The salsa basic, okay, is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. By the way, getting back to merengue, I forgot to mention it's just 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, the whole time. It does not change. 1, 1. Okay. Now, salsa, it's 1, 2, 3. It's a little more challenging here. 1, 2, 3. We hold the 3 or 4. We're only going to say 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. They start together. I step aside from 1. I pick up and replace for 2. And I bring my foot back in for 3. Other side, same thing. Step aside for 1. Pick up, replace for 2. Feet together on a 3 and hold. 1, 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, 3, hold. Okay. All right. Now, another way you can think about it is quick, quick, slow. And that'll help you have a little more rhythm. Okay. So instead of just doing this here, where it doesn't seem to have any rhythm, we want to add some rhythm to it. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Or quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Slightly pitch forward. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Let the hips go. The arms, here's your bonus. We're gonna do circular arms like this. Kind of like a yummy, 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 okay? So do that, practice that over and over, and then just add it to the legs. Relax your arms, your shoulders down. Look straight forward. You can pitch yourself. You can bend forward. Okay, now the fitness bonus here. Bend. Get down. Get down. You can take this at a little bit of an angle, but give me a little squat. Keep doing that and you'll tone those muscles, okay? So there is your fitness bonus. Again, you look good. 1, 2, 3, or quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. That's gonna help you look really good. Not to mention, smile. All right, number 3. Cumbia. Okay, cumbia. We're gonna take 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're just kind of pushing this leg back. It's kind of like a lazy leg, 1, 2. It's being lazy. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I like to sometimes cross it right behind, but you can also have it right next to this front leg here. Okay, or you can cross it behind, like that. A little more styling. So just 4 steps, and you turn to the other side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep the arms out here for now, as if you're holding up a couple candles, one in each hand, or a couple plates. So count is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so pretty basic there. Now let's add some arms this time, okay? So we're gonna increase our fitness this time with arms. So we're gonna pulse, 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 okay? So let's get the beat going first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and pulse, 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 and pulse, pulse, pulse. So, and finish it off with a great big smile. Lastly, reggaeton, number 4. Okay, this is kind of like a Latin hip hop type move. It's a single, single, double. It's the easiest way to think of it. You're gonna come forward for single, alternate single, and then the double on the same foot. And then we switch. Single, single, double, double. As you're learning it, point to the foot. Single, single, double, double. Single, single, double, double. All right? Easy enough, right? Double, double. Add a little bit of a hip hop flavor to it, because it's meant to look like Latin hip hop. Pitch forward. Smile. All right, now we're gonna add some more fitness to it by going lower on you. And not only that, but adding these hip thrust R type arms. So let's just think of pulling back. We don't have to thrust our hips, so let's pull back. Back, double, double, and go lower, okay? So here we go. Single, single, double, double. Single, single, double, double. Single, single, double, double. And there you have it, guys. I'm gonna do more videos like this, other dance moves. So if you want to be part of that, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.